Hi, it's Jan Howell from YouMakeItSimple.com. Christmas is just around the corner. What a great time to cozy in with your kids and grandkids and make some fun holiday decorations. Today I'm going to show you how to make these simple upcycled magazine Christmas trees. Aren't they just adorable? I just love the simple look, the different colors that are displayed, the black and white text adds a cute whimsy vintage look. This is a fun, relaxing project that even kids can do. So go grab a few magazines and let's get started. As you can see, you can make different sizes depending on how big the magazine is. A regular size magazine and these smaller magazines work really well. And if you want to add a cute tinsel pipe cleaner star, you'll need a strip of pipe cleaner. Take your magazine. We'll start with the first page. Bring the top edge over to the binding. Crease the seam. Bring the folded edge to the binding edge. Crease it. Fold it over. Take this bottom triangle and fold it up along that bottom edge. Crease it. I find that if I turn it to the side and just gently push down on the fold, it pops this open so I can tuck that inside and then fold it over. Go to the next page. And just continue until you've done all the pages except for the back page. And we'll just be ripping those, the front and the back cover page off. When you folded the last page, take off the back page by just pulling it off the spine of the magazine and then pull off the front cover page. And then just evenly space out the pages. If you want to make a cute pipe cleaner star, these glittery pipe cleaners work really well. Take the pipe cleaner and about 1 inch from the edge make a bend, and then we're going to every 2 inches make another bend. Just back and forth until you have 5 sides. Open that up, flip that, tuck it underneath, and then flip it and tuck this point underneath. You can kind of see where we're going. And then flip that. And then tuck it underneath. And then adjust your points. Bring the ends together. And just make a little twist. Play with it a little bit till you get it the shape you want. You can take your tree and just take that point and just shove it down into the center of that point, top of the tree. A fun little project to do while you're watching TV or just sitting and chatting. Happy holiday crafting. Click that subscribe button and stay tuned for some more simple crafting and sewing tutorials. We'll see you next time.